In this clip, I will show how to buy shares of Archer-Daniels-Midland Co., a major global agribusiness and food processing company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker Admiral. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to your account before purchasing. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker ADM to locate Archer-Daniels-Midland County and select the correct listing for the company. Confirm the company name and exchange before proceeding. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart, checking the listing details and recent price action to confirm this is the correct asset. Make sure the page clearly shows Archer-Daniels-Midland Co. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, and carefully review the order details before confirming the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it and review performance. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you wish to view the platform used in this example.